What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Brandon Peters and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video, so thanks so much for coming by. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Okay, so if you guys watched my last video, you know what the 5 things are you need to do on a daily basis to be successful your first year in real estate. If you haven't, that's perfectly fine. Link down below, go check it out and get to killing it. So here are 5 things you as a brand new realtor need to make sure you do not do. So listen closely. Wait, we're not ready yet. Hit the subscribe button down below, guys. Leave me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what your feedback is, and let me know if you found value in this video. Let's go. Okay guys, the first tip on this list that I see real estate agents do all the time, I was a victim to this one myself, is being an asshole to other realtors in your real estate market. Come on, man, you just hopped in the business. You're a brand new realtor. Maybe you've only been in it for a year. Why are you being a jerk to other realtors in the business? When you start producing and doing more and more transactions, you'll start to see the real estate market of top producing agents, it's actually pretty small. So let's not do anything that's gonna hurt us along the way. What you don't wanna happen is you get an awesome buyer, they love this house, you go show them, they fall in love with it, you wanna make an offer on it, and you were a dick to the agent. Tip number 2 that I have for you guys is brand new realtors. I know a lot of realtors that have done this way too early in their career and got themselves in financial trouble. Spending money on real estate leads. You just got in the business, focus on prospecting the right way, the natural way, pretty much the free way, okay? Don't go out maxing out your credit card, spending all the money you got for real estate leads. One, real estate leads online are a lot different than people you meet at open houses and circle prospecting or door knocking. They're completely different animals, so don't go spend a bunch of money on them. I mean, there are agents that are spending $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month on real estate leads. If you're not converting them, that's a lot of money thrown down the drain. Do not do that. Don't. Tip number 3, one that my old mentor had to tell me, which was really embarrassing. Being careful what you post on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, everywhere. Be careful what you post. These buyers and sellers, they actually look you up. Believe it or not, when they don't know you, people are gonna research who they're letting into their home. Little tip for you guys, be careful how drunk you get at some of the local bars. Nothing's more embarrassing than running into someone that you've been speaking to about buying or selling a home, and you're shit-faced drunk, slurring your words, and can barely stand up. Not that that's ever happened to me. Number 4, dressing for the part, guys. You're showing somebody a house and you think you're gonna show up in skinny jeans and flip-flops, wearing a band shirt? No, you dress badass. You look like $1 million realtor. You look like you sell 100 homes a year. Number 5, I hate this one. It was one that took me so long to get accustomed to and master, which is being desperate. Guys, buyers and sellers, they can tell when they are more valuable to you than you are to them, okay? They can pick up on that. They can also pick up when you're just seeing a paycheck, you're just dollar signs to them, you're already planning on where you're spending that money that you don't even have yet. Guys, you gotta learn to be as confident as you possibly can and believe in yourself. I mean, you watched that last video, right? You're doing the 5 things. You are a real estate badass now. If you haven't, make sure you check it out. You're doing my 5 steps that I told you guys to do on a daily basis to be a badass realtor. There's no reason to be desperate. I know you're gonna be a kick-ass realtor. You know you're gonna be a kick-ass realtor. So let's do it, guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep hustling, prospecting every day, and go kill it in the real estate business. But do not do any of these 5 things that I told you guys about. You're hearing it from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm Brandon Peters. If you haven't already, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Leave me a like and a comment. I'd really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Have a great day, guys.